How to find movies on Google Drive. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to find movies on Google Drive quickly and easily. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, let's get started. First, open any browser. Here I am using iPhone, so I'm opening Safari. Open Google Search on your browser. In the search bar, type site drive.google.com movie, hit enter, and Google will show Drive links containing the movie. Click on a link to open the Google Drive page. Here you will the file named as Movies. Tap on it. In my Drive, I have not uploaded any movie yet. But if you will have in the Drive, then they will be shown here. If the file is accessible, you can stream it directly or download it by clicking the download icon. If the file requires permission, try requesting access from the owner. Be cautious of copyright issues and always use legal sources when watching movies. And that's it. Now you know how to find movies on Google Drive. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more guides. See you in the next one. That's all for the video.